So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make my porridge beans. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to be sharing with you guys tips on how to wash your beans perfectly so that you don't end up having heartburn while you're eating it. And the reason why you actually have heartburn eating beans. Before we get into that, this is ingredients we're going to be using to prepare my porridge beans. I will have sliced onion, blended pepper and tomato. I have palm oil, salt, seasoning powder, crayfish. This is pala, it's round fish, round dry fish, and I have ugu, which is vegetable. So now let's get into the main thing. Most people wash their beans before cooking it, but I would advise that to prevent heartburn or chest burn whenever you eat beans, it's better that you parboil the beans before actually cooking it. Meaning that you parboil it, drain the water out, and then start cooking it. And I advise that you parboil it in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes, just 3 to 4 minutes, and then you sieve the water out, and then you can start cooking. The reason why I would advise you parboil before cooking is because the pesticide that was used to preserve these beans from being infested by the beans weevil, which is also known as Calabrutus maculatus, is because the pesticide is always sometimes come in contact with these beans, and that's why you get to have heartburn. So it's better you parboil it, so therefore you wash out any form of chemical that has come in contact with the beans before cooking. So this is the beans after I've parboiled it and I've rinsed it off. So now this is the new water that I have added and it has come to a boil. Now I'm going to start cooking. First off, I like to go in with salt to taste. And then I stir it. The beans have been boiling for a while, so I'm just going to put in my onion and I'm going to just mix it up, and I'm going to close it and allow it to cook again for a while. Now the beans have softened up. The onion have also helped make the beans come to a boil faster. So now it's soft. I'm just going to put it aside and make the sauce. First thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my palm oil, and after that I'm going to be pouring in the crayfish. I'm going to stir the crayfish a little bit and then also go ahead to add my panla fish. Allow it fry for a little time for about 2 minutes, and then I went in with the blended tomato and pepper. I'll just leave this to come to fry a little bit, and then I'm going to be adding the spices and beans. Allow that fry for about 3 minutes. I'm just going to be going in with my chicken spices, and I'm going to also stir that just to let it mix up well together so that the spices is everywhere. Immediately after that, I'm just going to be going in with my beans. After I have stirred the beans properly and brought it to a mix, I'm going to be introducing the last ingredient, which is the vegetable. I'm just going to stir that too and just make sure it gets properly mixed. So I'm just going to close it up and allow it cook for a little bit, few more minutes, just to soften the vegetable. So this is what our beans looks like, guys. It came out very delicious and nice. I'm someone that have heartburn when I eat beans, so when I make the beans this way, I don't have heartburn. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share with friends and family. Till my next video. Bye.